Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your Netflix account. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then type in netflix.com in the address bar and press enter. If you're logged into your account already, you will be taken to a home page where you will be recommended various shows. Now, in order to manage and edit your account, you can simply hover over to your account icon at the top right corner and then click on Account. From here, you can change various settings associated with your account. You can change your email address by clicking on Change Email. And underneath, you will find the Change Password button. You can also add a phone number to your account. And underneath, you will be able to find various options to add payment info as well as redeem your gift cards and promo codes. You can change your account plan settings anytime by clicking on Change Plan alongside the plan details. Underneath the Security and Privacy section, you will find various profiles that are associated with your Netflix account. You can click on the drop-down menu at the right side of each of these accounts, and you can change the language settings, the viewing restrictions, profile log, as well as various other settings. You can simply click on the Change or the View button at the right side to change various settings associated with each section. And there you have it. That is how you can manage your account on Netflix. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.